Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up autopay in Groww app. Alright, let's get started. So first what we have to do is open the Groww app website. So let's open the Groww website over here. So here this is the interface of Groww website. Now what you have to do is scroll down to the bottom. So let's scroll down, and here you can see we have various options. Among them, this particular option is interesting, which is help and support. What you have to do is click on this option, and now here under the mutual fund section you can see autopay on the bottom. Click on this mutual funds. So let's go ahead and do that. So once you do that, here on the left hand side you can see the autopay option. Click over here, and here we have all the questions and the answer to that as well. So here let's click on the first option, which is how to set up autopay. Now let's go there, and here there are only 4 steps on how to set up autopay. So the first what you have to do is click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then click on bank and autopay, or press the button below to directly go to bank and autopay. On the bank account details page, click on account for which you want to set up autopay, and then what you have to do is click on set up autopay. Lastly, you have to follow the instructions as shown. Keep your net banking and debit card handy to complete the setup. So that's it. That is how you will be able to set up autopay in Groww app. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.